We are going to find the integral from -3 to 3 for the function 2x plus 5 using the left-handed Riemann sum. So first what we're going to do is we're going to make a table, x and f of x. I feel like this is the easiest way to do it. Each of the numbers, and then we're going to plug them all in to this. So -3 times 2 is -6, plus 5 is -1. Then -2 times 2 is -4, plus 5 is +1. And then -1 times 2 is -2, plus 5 is 3. And then when you put 0 in, we get 5. 1, 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. And 3 times 2 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Now that we have our table, we can now make a graph representing this, just so we get the visual aspect of it. -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, +3, goes up to 11. Okay, so we have -3, -1, -2, +1, -1, +3, 0, 5, 1, 7, 2, 9, 3, 11. And if it's accurate, it should be just a linear. So we are trying to find all of this using rectangles. So our first rectangle is going to be from here to here, and these are all of our rectangles. So we should have 6. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what we're going to do is find the area of each of these rectangles in between Now, since we are finding the left-handed Riemann sum, we're going to use the height of the left-handed side. So for this one, our first rectangle is going to be this. And our second one, we're going to use this height, and then this height, and this height, and this one, and this one. Okay, so first, between each x point, we have 1, so it's just going to be for rectangle 1. Our width is always going to be 1, and our height on this side is -1. So that means we have an area of -1. Rectangle number 2, 1 times our left-handed side is 1, so we get 1. Rectangle 3, we have a width of 1 times our left-handed height is 3. Area for that rectangle is 3. Rectangle number 4, we have a width of 1 multiplied by 5. So that's the left-handed side of our rectangle. We get 5. Rectangle number 5, the width of 1 times the height. Go to the left-handed side. We have 7. So we get 7. And then rectangle number 6, we have 1 times left-handed side height is 9. So we get 9. Now we're going to add them all together. Negative 1 and 1 cancel out. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. Hopefully. Okay. So that is our integral of 2x plus 5 from negative 3 to 5. Negative 3 to 3. It's approximation using the left-handed Riemann sum.